and you have to place numbers, one thing is you want to get it in a reasonable place, but it doesn't have to be, it should just be, find the numbers it's between, and is it closer to 1 or closer to 0 or exactly in the middle. So like Max says, it's closer to 1. The second thing is, do not try to cram everything in your number line. Just use a little, like, arrow. Go like that. And it's going to be much easier to read. Anna, what about negative 2/3? What's it between? Correct. It's between the 0 and the -1. Is it closer to 0 or is it closer to -1 or is it halfway? Right. It's more than halfway. So we're just going to put it over here and we're going to just draw a little arrow. Okay. Chase. 10/6.
10/6.
So think about that, maybe reduced. What would it be? Or as a mixed number?
1 and 4/6.
It's 1 and 4/6, right? So what's it between?
1 and
Boys.
2.
It's between 1 and 2. Is it closer to 1 or closer to 2? Right, because 4/6, 4 is more than half a 6. Raise your hand if that one makes sense.
It's also 1 and 2/3.
It's also 1 and 2/3. Any questions on that one? Okay, Mia.
Well, it's not about this. Can you go back to the chart thingy?
The New Orleans one?
Yeah. Like,
It's in your book.
oh no, like the cities and the heights.
Yeah, that's actually one of your problems in your book. So, I can, but let's finish this first.
Okay.
Okay. How about -15/4, Troy? What is that in a mixed number?
-15/4.
Yeah. Yes, it's going this direction, but what two numbers is it between?
Oh, it's between. I think it's.
Put it into a mixed number, Troy.
Okay.
What would it be? Negative what?
-3 and 3/4.
Right. So now does that help you think about what it's between?
It'd be between -4 and -3.
Okay. And is it closer to the -4 or is it closer to the -3?
-4.
Right. So do you see how I'm making my number line readable by not cramming a bunch of numbers all in one spot? Yes or no, boys and girls?
Yes.
Okay. And then the technique is, if you're not sure, you are going to switch to a mixed number. Whoops, lost the negative. But think of it that way, right? And then you can answer your own kind of questions by thinking in terms of mixed numbers. Okay, what about -2 and 3/5, Max?
-2 and 3/5 would be it's in between 2 and 3.
-2 and 3. Closer to -3 or closer to -2?
Closer to -2. Or no, closer to -3.
Why?
Because 3/5 is close. It's more than.
More than half. Right. And you can just do that when you have a problem like that tonight. Use arrows, or if you have a problem like that in the future.
Do we have a problem like that?
You have ordering problems. I would consider that an ordering problem. So I'll just call this ordering numbers on the number line.